for taking out time from your busy schedule to attend this press conference for which basically we are paying a tribute to late Mohammad Rafi, and it's a tradition in Fidalgo since 2010. We have been doing it, and it's a huge success. After each and every year, the response what we are getting is we are overwhelmed with our response. Like people are there who still praise Mohammad Rafi songs. Now, as far as I know, late Mohammad Rafi, he was one of the best playback singers as far as India is concerned, and he has he has equal command over different types of songs. Like if you say ghazals or bhajans or Indian music, basically movies with playback singer. So he was having equal command over each and every sort of singing, and that's what makes him unique and makes him gives him an edge over regular singers.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to add a few updates about Mahmood Hassan. Connecting to Goa, we would say Mahmood Hassan had sung few Konkani songs with Lorna, and the music was being arranged by Chris Perry, if we know them. That's how Mahmood Hassan is connected to Goa and our Konkani language as well. So that's the reason we are having this show over here. Please do come. Thank you.
Chetna Sahane. We have Mr. R.K. as well. He himself is a versatile singer, and he's a mimicry artist as well as a stand-up comedian. So just along with the music, the attendees, the one will be coming for the show, have even some sort of like there will be laughter, some fun entertainment along with the singing. So with paying the tribute to Mohammad Rafi, they get a little bit of entertainment in terms of